Hello and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I'm going to show you a really wonderful summer shawl. We're making it this time out of cotton and you can see the color gradient here. It looks really lovely. We're going to be doing some trebles here and you see a light pattern here. Very pretty. And yeah, I'm going to show you what I used and how I did it, so stay tuned. So you guys, we have here the Woolly Hugs Bandy Wool and you see here all the colors that we have. It's really pretty this time. And yeah, I'm really excited to try it out. So this is 100% cotton, so it's going to be pretty light. We have 100 grams and 210 meters in length. This color is the color number 4 if you want this exact same one. And yeah, let's see. You can wash it in the washing machine and it's for a 6 to 6.5 millimeter crocheting hook or knitting needles. And I'm going to be taking my 6 millimeter hook as well. And let's start from the middle as always. And we're going to do our shawl. So we're going to do a slip knot and 4 chains. 3 and 4. Then I'm going to take a yarn over and I'm going to go into the first one and I'm going to do a treble there. So through 2 and 2 again, and that's it. Then a yarn over into the same spot and another, and the third one as well. So again through the same spot, through 2, and one more time, so a total of 4. And you can see here, so 4 trebles and the chains that we started with. Now we can do 3 chains instead of 4, and now we can start our next row. So here into the first spot we go in with a yarn over and we're again doing 4 trebles. There we go, you see how quick we are, and you can see here again the same structure, so 4 trebles and the chains we started with. So now into the next spot, we're going to go in here at the end, and we're going to do again a treble and 4 more trebles. Since here we don't need the chains, we can do a treble. The first chains we do are always to replace the treble. So again, just around these chains that we started our first row with, we do 5 trebles total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have all of them, and that's our row number 2. So you can see here the first triangle here and the chains. Then here the 3 trebles in the middle, this time orange, pink, and orange, pretty cute. And then in the next row you see 2 of those elements. And now we're going to have 3 in our third row. So again, 3 chains for the height, go into the first spot you have, and do 4 trebles. There we go, 4 trebles with these chains 5. So the chains we started with, and now we're doing the same thing one more time between the 2 packs on the bottom. And we're doing again 5 trebles since we don't need any chains here. We can do 5 trebles. So here is the color change, the major one. So we have some olive green shades. And then we're going to have some pink as well. So we're doing the next triangle piece, which means we're doing 5 trebles. And the last one. So this is what we have, 3 triangles for our third row. And now we can start row number 4. So again, 3 chains, then turn, and then into the first spot we do 4 trebles. And 4, and with the chains that's actually 5. So we're going to continue between the 2 existing triangles on the bottom. We do 5 new trebles for a new triangle. That was number 5. And then we just keep going into the next spot. Again, 5 trebles. And 5, and the last one, again 5 trebles. Three, 4, and number 5. So this is what we have. This is what it looks like. And I'll do a couple more rows and then I'll be back. So you guys, here is an update. So you see a couple rows later, this is what I have. So the scarf grows really quickly and gains width really quickly. You can see all of the colors in here. They change pretty abruptly, but they're really playful this way, and I really like the way it looks. So I'll be back when I finish the whole thing. So you guys, I have almost everything done. So I don't have enough for a new row. So I'm stopping here. And you can see here the beginning that we need to weave in, so this little orange section that we have on the bottom, and apart from that, just the ending here. So shorten, pull out, tighten a little bit, and that's all that we need to do. So weave in at the beginning and the end. And yeah, this is a pretty small shawl this time, so I think I would need 2 balls to finish, or have a little bit bigger size, but I think it still looks pretty cute. You can see the pattern here, the texture of it is really nice. And yeah, if you guys like the way this looks, feel free to shoot a thumbs up to let me know. You can also post any comments below in the comment section. You can subscribe to the channel if you'd like to stay updated with our other videos when we post them, and if you click on the notification bell, you'll get notified. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!